Hello there, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. I'm James, and in case you don't already know, this is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. Please excuse the freeway in front of my house. Cars going by. Anyhow, today I want to talk about a myth that's going around the Maserati Facebook groups as well as YouTube. I saw a video just the other day that mentioned it, which prompted me to go ahead and make this video. And that myth is our warranty voided if we service our car outside the dealership or do it ourselves? Plus, I've got a couple of announcements I'd like to make. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to support my channel, please do that by clicking the like button, click subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. I have a couple of announcements to make. First announcement is if you want to support my channel financially, you can do so by going to my store and buying merchandise. Yes, I have my own merchandise. This is just one of my designs. I've got 4 others, including a special for Halloween, which will be available until October the 31st. But this design, all these designs will be available on t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, hoodies, the phone cases, coffee mugs, stickers, even a tote bag. So if you'd like to support my channel financially, I will post a link to my store in the description below. On to the second announcement. James DIY Garage now has a Facebook page. Please feel free to send a friend request to my Facebook page, and when you become friends on my Facebook page, you'll be able to post and comment on posts, and it'll just be an easier way to communicate with me. I'll put a link to my Facebook page in the description below. Now on to the meat of this video. Will our warranty be voided if we have our car serviced outside the dealership or do it ourselves? Short answer is no. It's illegal. And the reason for that is a law called the Magnuson-Moss Act of 1975. What this law does is it governs consumer warranties. And for the sake of our purpose here, for the warranties on our cars, there's a clause in there that says they cannot void the warranty for using aftermarket parts on our cars. We can use aftermarket parts on our cars and it won't void the warranty. Maserati has another product, and that's the service maintenance that they do. They provide it as a service, and it's a product. If we have our car serviced outside the dealership, that is an aftermarket product. Same thing. If we do it ourselves, it's the same thing. It's an aftermarket product. So they can't void the warranty. But there is a caveat. Let's say, for example, you change your spark plugs and the engine begins to misfire, and you bring your car into the dealership to have that fixed under the warranty. If Maserati can prove that you changed your spark plugs and the gap was off, or the spark plug wasn't torqued down right, or you used the wrong spark plugs, then they don't have to honor the claim on the warranty. They can charge you for the work performed to fix the issue. Also, you should perform your regularly scheduled maintenance on your car. The owner's manual has a schedule with what needs to be done on that schedule. So I highly recommend that you perform your regular maintenance on your car in order to avoid having your warranty claims not honored. The important part of this is you need to document everything. If you have your car serviced outside of the dealership at another shop, keep the receipts for that work, and make sure that the mechanic lists everything that he did, and you put that in your service maintenance record. A few videos ago, I showed my service maintenance record, and I came up with my own service maintenance sheet. And whenever I do something, I fill that sheet out and list what I did, how much it cost, and I put that in my service record. So if you do it yourself, you'll have to come up with your own service sheet and make your own service record. I have a binder, and if you watch that video, I'll post a link to that video in the description below. If you want to see that video, the binder is not that thick. It's got a lot of stuff in it. It's got even more in it now than it did when I showed it. So thank you so much again for watching my video. If you want to support my channel, don't forget to click the like button, click subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified of other videos when they come out. If you want to financially support my channel, you find the link to my store, my merchandise store, in the description below. Until then, it's paddle time. Bye. Pretty good. How you doing? I'm doing a YouTube video. Doing a YouTube video. Go ahead. Okay, I'm almost done. Let me finish the video. I'm almost done. Almost done. Okay? It's a freaking freeway in front of my house here. Okay. More coming. Okay. Come on.